my loves, I am so honored to be at the Yves Saint Laurent's Museum. Of everything here in Marrakesh, I think that I was looking forward to coming to this exhibition. There's an exhibition and there's a museum behind, as well as a garden. Saint Laurent was known to do so many firsts. He was the first living designer to be honored by the Metropolitan Museum of Art for a solo exhibition. He also was the first to put a woman in a tuxedo. He was the first to use women of color. You know how I feel about that. He was an amazing designer that started his career with the House of Dior at 17 years old, and he passed away from brain cancer in 2008. Marrakesh is very dear to his heart because he used to come here to relax and also be inspired, and that was really shown in his designs. Ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you Yves Saint Laurent. So we've just come out of the exhibition. I wish you guys could see, but you're not allowed to take any pictures or film for obvious reasons because you still want to keep all of the costumes very pristine. So it's very dark in there, but it shows the entire history of his life from the moment that he was born to his passing. And it shows the intricate details and the costumes that were prominent throughout his lifetime. I also noticed the interpretation of Marrakech in his designs for the first time. This is the first time coming to Marrakech, and so now I understand some of the designs that he created. I strongly advise that you come and visit Marrakech, and I strongly advise that you come to the museum. Absolutely breathtaking. It gives you goose pimples and you really realize what an amazing human being he was, and huge talent. So now we're outside the exhibition and we're at the Pierre Berge, and we're allowed to take pictures here. We're also allowed to film. So Ula's doing a great job. I love you, darling. So we just take you to the rooms that are outside. All right? I'll see you later. Mwah. Questions. Who are you? So I feel honored. Saint Laurent exhibition. Yes, I'm totally honored. So enough about me, and let me just show you some pics. Look at my beautiful friend. Look at how gorgeous. Totally major. I love mwah, mwah, mwah. Just look. Look. Gorgeous. The colors are so vibrant here. Love it. Ah. guys.
Hi.
So we're in Germany. This trip, almost home. This trip has taken us to 4 countries. We went to Switzerland, then we went to Portugal, went to Morocco, and then from Morocco we came to Zurich. Auf Wiedersehen, Heidi Klum.
Not to Zurich.
To Munich, I beg your pardon, to Munich, Germany, and we're making our way now to London. So it's been so interesting, so fabulous, and we just wanted to give you guys an update. We loved Marrakesh. You have to visit. Yes, Ula?
Yes, definitely.
Until then, I will see you in London. We hope you enjoyed the show, and we hope that you enjoyed the vlogs, and I'll be doing more vlogs. Ula, say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, guys. Maybe I'll vlog a little bit further down so you can see what it looks like, okay? We're just in between. We just came off a plane. We've gone through customs. I made it again. And then we're going to our gate. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye again.
Bye. Bye. Look at this, guys. Nap cabs. Discover the comfort of nap cab sleeping cabins. I'm under the impression that you pay, you go in and you sleep. This is fantastic. This is fantastic. Wow, 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 wow. Because Ula and I travel a lot, and sometimes the layaways or connecting flights can be a whole bunch of hours.
Remember to draw the curtains.
Remember to draw the curtains, Ula says. And look, you put in your money and everything. It will tell you how much, how many hours, blah, 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 and you're good to go. This is fabulous. Wow. Let me turn it around. Look at Ula in front of us. And they got like little quarters. I'm just sharing with you guys. It's been a while since I've been to Germany, and so a lot has changed in the last 2 years. This wing, I think, was made in the last 2 years. I guess I should be quiet. Let's go. Look, different chairs and stuff. The Germans are fabulous. Love them. Heidi, auf Wiedersehen. So quiet. All right, we go to our gate. For those of you that smoke, hey, I don't judge. And it seems that in Germany they don't judge either. This is a smoking lounge. Look, you just come here, have your little cigarette or two, and you just chillax. Isn't that fabulous? Germany, you're very thoughtful. Very thoughtful. Love it.